Introducing the stunning 2022 Skoda Octavia STY 2.0tdi with 115 horsepower in sleek grey. This 5-door saloon is packed with features like air conditioning, cruise control, satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone, and more. Safety is paramount with ABS, multiple airbags, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking. Enjoy the convenience of remote audio controls, USB12V Power Outlets, and smart card entry. Styling details like the chrome package add a touch of elegance. Rest easy knowing this vehicle has undergone a full health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and includes a comprehensive warranty. Call us or visit laharts.ie for more information on this outstanding car.